Netflix just dropped its quarter four earnings, and if you only read the headlines, you're going to lose money. On the surface, it looks perfect. Revenue is up, margins are at record highs, and they just crossed 325 million subscribers. So why is the stock down after hours? Because the market doesn't care about what you did. It cares about what you're going to do. And right now, Netflix management just admitted two things that terrified Wall Street. Growth is slowing, and the buybacks are dead. I'm a long-term bull on Netflix. I think the stock goes to 150 eventually. But the next 6 months are going to be brutal. Let's analyze the weakness, the merger monster, and why I'm buying this fear. First, we're going to do our quality audit. The core business is a machine. Revenue, 12 billion plus. That's an 18% jump year over year, which is a beat. The earnings per share, 56 cents. Beat. Operating margins, 29+%. This is what quality looks like. They're squeezing more profit out of every dollar than any other media company on earth. And the ad tier, it's on fire. Ad revenue doubled in 2025. It's now pacing to be a $4 billion business on its own. So the quality is intact. Now let's look at the junk signals. Why is the stock dumping? Reason one is guidance. Management just guided for 2026 revenue growth of only 13 to 14%. The market wanted around 16%. This is the law of large numbers. When you're a $45 billion revenue company, you can't grow at 20% forever unless you buy something new. Reason number two, the buyback pause. Look at this line item. The share repurchases, 0. Management confirmed they are hoarding cash to prepare for the Warner Brothers Discovery transaction. That means the biggest buyer of Netflix stock, which is Netflix, has left the building. That removes the floor under the stock price. This brings us to the elephant in the room, the Warner Brothers Discovery merger. The market hates uncertainty. Until the DOJ approves this deal, Netflix is in purgatory. They have paused buybacks, they're hoarding cash, and they're distracted. However, this is where we make money. The long-term narrative is intact. Think about it. Even with a slow 13% growth, Netflix is generating $9 billion in free cash flow this year. If the Warner Brothers Discovery deal fails, they'll just turn the buyback machine back on and the stock rips higher. If the Warner Brothers deal passes, they become the unchallengeable king of media. My verdict? The sell-off is a gift. This weakness is temporary. It's deal noise, not business failure. I'm aggressively accumulating shares anywhere under $88. Let the traders panic. We're buying the utility of the future. If you like this content or you find it helpful, I'd appreciate it if you would like it. Make sure it gets pushed out to more people. I'm a small creator with limited reach. Also, please consider subscribing. I put out a couple of these each week, and I'm always open to suggestions for other stocks that you may want to investigate. That said, I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.